Yeah. It's Grant's first Thanksgiving. Yeah. What are you eating, buddy? It looks like you got some stuffing there. And you got some turkey on your plate and potatoes. Yeah. Oh. You having a good meal, Grant? You having a good meal? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what's that? Cornbread. Yummy. Okay. Say hi to everyone.